Alright, this is a Thomas Hugger at Russian Fazbear's house. This came from Robbie Lawrence. Has plastic blades a la Emerson. Tags. This has a very low style system, but in there is a cardboard box control.
Yeah, usually you can tell because the fat potentiometers are cardboard box, the thin ones are SQ-like.
This looks like it'd be in like someone's long overdue for a remodel kitchen.
Definitely.
This is a grandma fan.
Yeah, that bird pull chain actually came off of that Antique Brass Whisper Fan 2 I got out of New York. I just stuck it on there because it was like what I had lying around.
Yeah, I turn that a lot. This one's not very sensitive. Call me crazy, but I think you should mount that on the wall.
I think it would sag down and scrape against the housing.
Yeah, this one's slow.
Remember, left is faster, right is slower.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Okay. I think I turned it the correct way the second time I changed it, but yeah, because that's... So, since you can't run both of these at the same time, which one do you usually have running?
Usually the State Fair because it's quieter, but every once in a while I'll mix it up and do the Thomas instead.
Solid answer.
I haven't had the State Fair up for very long. Before the State Fair was at Windsor Comfort Flow on the ground, and that was small enough where you could run both at the same time.
Yeah.
And after the State Fair, I don't know what I'm going to put up. Probably something small so that they can run at the same time again. Or maybe I'll replace the big Thomas with the small Thomas, which will also
That's a good idea.
make enough room.
I'm getting impatient.
Yeah, just full tilt it.
Yeah, I'll do one more.
And then you still have the pull chain high too.
Yeah. Sounds like one of those blades is a little loose.
Yeah, it might be.
Yeah, it definitely is. I think this is a good museum fan.
Except for the fact it'd be way up high because it's a hugger. And it's weird because, like, this is one of the few hugger fans ever made that's, like, of good quality, and Bradley Anderson couldn't give a shit.
Pretty much.
Like, Thomas and Koizel, he doesn't bat an eye at, and yet they're some of the only companies that made, like, good huggers.
Generic. Okay, so there's high on the variable system. I guess you could call this the medium speed, even though this is way past medium.
Medium high, I guess.
Mm-hmm. And honestly, high really doesn't make much of a difference.
Yeah, it barely changes.
Alright, and there is the big Thomas Hugger.